Everyone online is either a Bitcoin maximalist or an Ethereum evangelist. They'll tell you one is digital gold and the other is the future of the internet. What they won't tell you? Most of them have no idea what they actually own or why. You're getting the honest comparison nobody in crypto wants to give you. Bitcoin was created in 2009 by someone called Satoshi Nakamoto. Nobody knows who that is. That's not a bug. It's the point. Bitcoin has one job: be a store of value that no government can control. Think of it as digital gold. It has a hard cap of 21 million coins. Ever. That's it. No more will ever exist. Compare that to the US dollar, printed 40% of all dollars ever in existence in just 2 years during COVID. Bitcoin's scarcity is written into its code. Unchangeable. That's why institutions like BlackRock and Fidelity now hold it. That's why countries are adding it to their reserves. Bitcoin doesn't try to do everything, it does one thing and does it perfectly. Be sound money. Ethereum launched in 2015. Same blockchain concept as Bitcoin, but with one massive difference. Ethereum is programmable. Think of Bitcoin as a calculator. It does one thing perfectly. Ethereum is a smartphone. You can build anything on it. That's what smart contracts are. Programs that run automatically on the blockchain with no middleman, no lawyer, no bank, no company. Just code that executes when conditions are met. Every DeFi app, every NFT, every decentralized exchange, almost all of it runs on Ethereum. If Bitcoin is digital gold, Ethereum is digital oil, the fuel that powers an entirely new financial system being built right now. So which one wins? Here's what nobody admits: they're not competing. They're solving different problems. Bitcoin is for people who want to protect wealth from inflation and government control. Ethereum is for people who want to build or use a new financial system. The real question isn't Bitcoin or Ethereum, it's, what problem are you trying to solve? If you're parking savings long-term, Bitcoin. If you're interested in how money, contracts, and ownership work in the future, Ethereum. Most serious people in this space hold both, not because they're greedy, because they understand what each one actually does. Here's the part creators skip because it's not exciting. Both assets are volatile. Bitcoin dropped 80% in 2018. Ethereum dropped 90%. They recovered, then did it again. If you can't handle watching your money drop by half without panic selling, neither of these is for you right now. The people who made money in crypto didn't do it by picking the right coin. They did it by understanding what they owned and not selling when everyone else panicked. That's the real edge. Not which coin, the knowledge behind it. Drop a comment. Are you Team Bitcoin, Team Ethereum, or both? I read every single one. Next video, I'm breaking down the coins nobody talks about that are quietly building the infrastructure the entire crypto market runs on. Not financial advice, just the stuff they don't teach you. Subscribe to UNBANKED. The old money had a head start. You have the internet.